Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we will demonstrate the operation process of EPS foam fill and seal bagging machine. First, we need to manually open the PE bag and place it onto the bag opening mechanism. Then step on the start button, and the machine will automatically open the packaging bag. Next, the push plate mechanism will push the stacked EPS foam products on the working table into the PE film packaging bag. Finally, sealing knife goes down to seal the bag and complete the packaging process. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.